Want to use DALL-E 3 for free? Outright CRM is offering it no cost, no sign up. Just type Outright CRM into your browser and hit search. Click on the official website to get started. On the homepage, find and click the Free AI Tools button. This opens a full collection of free AI tools. Scroll just a little until you see the DALL-E 3 image generator. Click on it. Now, paste your image prompt into the box provided. Then hit Generate to start the AI magic. In a few seconds, your AI-generated image will be ready. You'll now see two options: download your image or reset to try a new one. Each new prompt you enter creates a completely fresh, one-of-a-kind result. Whether you're experimenting with surreal concepts or detailed designs, the process is fast, incredibly simple, and best of all, completely free. You can try as many ideas as you like without any limits. Start creating your own AI art instantly, right from Outright CRM's free AI tools. Just visit the site and dive in.